In this video of ICT skills we will discuss about input device, output device, memory and storage devices of computer system. Topics that we discuss are input device, output device, memory, units of memory, types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. What is input device? It is responsible for accepting input, data or instructions from the user. This work accomplished with the help of input devices. The input devices that we are going to discuss are keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, light pen, barcode reader, MICR, OCR, OMR. What is keyboard? It is used to enter textual data in the form of letters, digits and symbols. It is a typewriter-like device used to input data. A standard keyboard contains 104 keys in it. What is mouse? It is a pointing device that points to a position on computer screen. It is one of the pointing device used to work in the graphical environment with the help of a pointer moving on the screen. Type of mouse are mechanical mouse, optical mouse. What is mechanical mouse? It is also known as ball mouse. It contains rubber ball in the back surface side. When we move the mouse, then mouse's ball roll and sensors that are embedded inside identify the motion and move on screen surface portion at the same directions. What is optical mouse? In the optical mouse use advanced technology such as LED, light-emitting diode, optical sensor, and other DSP, digital signal processing, instead of the rubber ball mechanical mouse. In the optical mouse, detect the movement by the sensors when reflected light. What is microphone? A microphone is an input device that records voice or sound and transforms the recorded voice into digital data so that a user can play back or edit the digitized voice as required. What is scanner? A scanner is an input device that scans images, printed text, or an object and converts it into a digital image. Instead of making a duplicate copy on a paper, the scanner stores the digital image in the computer memory. Types of scanner are flatbed scanner, a scanner that provides a flat, glass surface to hold a sheet of paper, book or other object for scanning. The scan head is moved under the glass. Flatbed scanners often come with sheet. Sheetfed scanner. A sheetfed is a digital imaging system specifically designed for scanning loose sheets of paper, widely used by businesses to scan office documents. Handheld scanner. A scanner that is moved by hand over the material being captured. Drum scanner. Drum scanner is an optical scanner designed for use with a computer. In this device, the original image, for example, a photograph, to be scanned is attached or clamped around a drum. During the scanning operations, the drum on which the image is mounted spins fast. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing device that uses a photoelectric, light-sensitive cell to indicate a position on the computer screen. When you keep the pen in front of an icon of the computer screen, say the start button, it senses the light and the photoelectric cell gets activated. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is an input device that is used to read the information encoded on a barcode. The barcode reader is also known as a price scanner or point-of-sale (POS) scanner. A barcode is an optical machine-readable code, which is printed on various types of products. It holds the necessary information about the product. MICR, magnetic ink character reader. This is another type of special scanner which can read the character printed with a special magnetic ink. The application of this device mainly used in banking sector. OCR, optical character reader. It recognizes text inside images, such as scanned documents and photos. OCR technology is used to convert images containing written text, typed, handwritten or printed, into machine-readable text data. OMR, optical mark reader. This popular recognition technology is used for collecting data from fill-in-the-bubble forms such as educational tests, surveys, assessments, evaluations, and many other multiple-choice forms. The process is achieved with the aid of a scanner that checks the transmission or reflection of light through the paper, and places having markings will reflect less light than the blank paper, resulting in less contrasting reflectivity. What is output device? It is responsible for producing the output in user-readable form, mainly the output produced in hard or soft format. The output devices that we are going to discuss are monitor, printer, plotter, speaker. What is monitor? It is responsible for producing the output in user-readable form, mainly the output produced in hard or soft format. Types of monitors: CRT, cathode ray tube; LCD, liquid crystal display; LED, light-emitting diodes. What is printer? It is an output device used to get hard copy of the results produced by the computer. Such type of output is printed on a paper which is permanent in nature. Printers can be divided into two categories: impact printers, non-impact printers. What is impact printer? An impact printer is a type of printer that operates by striking a metal or plastic head against an ink ribbon. Due to this mechanical contact, they produce a lot of noise while printing. Types of impact printers are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, drum printer, chain printer. What is dot matrix printer? A dot matrix printer is a type of printer which uses pins impacting an ink ribbon to print. It is widely used character printer at a time. In these, the print head contains an array of tiny hammers which comes out and strike the ribbon to produce desired result. What is daisy wheel printer? A printing device used in some electric typewriters and printers, consisting of raised characters fixed at the ends of spokes on a wheel. What is drum printer? It had printed characters etched on a physical drum that spun around and impacted paper in specific ways. A series of hammers behind the paper would press the paper onto the drum at the right time, to create text on a page. What is chain printer? The print element in a chain printer is a metallic band or chain containing the embossed characters that rotates horizontally in front of paper. The chain spins horizontally around a set of hammers. When the desired character is in front of the selected print column, the corresponding hammer hits the paper into the ribbon and onto the character in the chain. What is non-impact printer? Non-impact printers are printers which do not have any physical contact between the print head and the paper. Their speed is usually measured in pages per minute, ppm. Types of non-impact printers are inkjet printers, laser printers, thermal printers. What is inkjet printer? These types of printers the output characters or graphics by spraying tiny drops of liquid ink on paper. These printers can produce quality text and graphics in both black and white and color photos. What is laser printer? It uses laser beams to burn special powder on page to create a permanent image. The power is contained in toner. This toner powder is then shifted to the paper and fused permanently with the help of heat and pressure. Laser printer prints text and graphics in a high-quality resolution. What is thermal printer? These are expensive printers which are used for high-quality graphics and text output. Thermal printer uses color waxes and heat to produce images on special paper. What is plotters? A plotter is a computer vector graphic printer that gives a hard copy of the output based on instructions from the system. Plotters are widely used to print designs of things such as cars, ships and buildings on a piece of paper using a pen. Types of plotters: drum plotter, flatbed plotter. What is drum plotter? A drum plotter is a pen plotter that wraps the paper around a drum with a pin feed attachment. The drum then rotates the paper as pens move across it and draw the image. What is flatbed plotter? A flatbed plotter is a mechanical drafting device used with many CAD programs for designers. The paper remains stationary on a flat surface, while a pen moves across it horizontally and vertically. What is speaker? Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with computer systems. Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into sound waves. What is memory? It is used to hold processed and unprocessed information in the computer system. The storage in the system can be permanent or temporary. Types of memory: primary memory, secondary memory. Units of memory: computer store and process data. A combination of 4 bits is called binary number. A binary number is either a 8 bits is called bytes. All units of memory are shown in a table below. Main memory, primary memory. In these internal storage devices, data store in the form of electric charge, that is, in the form of binary digits 0 and 1. As it is directly interact with CPU, it is also known as primary memory. It is of two types: RAM, random access memory; ROM, read-only memory. RAM, random access memory. It is volatile memory, means its content are lost when power is turned off. It is an electronic chip in which the programs that are currently executing, the unprocessed data and the information produced by the computer system are stored. It interacts with all the devices of computer. It is also known as central or main memory. ROM, read-only memory. It is non-volatile memory, means it's permanent in nature. Content of this memory chip remain unchanged even if the power supply is switched off. Secondary memory devices. It is also known as external storage device, is used to store data and information permanently so that they can be used as and when needed. There are various types of secondary devices available these days: hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, floppy disk. Floppy drive. A floppy disk is a magnetic storage medium for computer systems. The floppy disk is composed of a thin, flexible magnetic disk sealed in a square plastic carrier. The floppy diskette was first created in 1967 by IBM. It is of a 3.5 floppy diskette, capable of storing 1.44 MB of data. Pen drive. It is also known as a USB flash drive, data stick, and thumb drive. It is often the size of a human thumb, hence the name, and connects to a computer via a USB port. Flash drives are an easy way to store and transfer information between computers and range in sizes from 2 GB to 1 TB. CD-ROM, compact disc read-only memory. It is an optical disc that contains audio or software data whose memory is read-only. A CD-ROM drive or optical drive is the device used to read them. CD-ROM drives have speeds ranging from 1x to 72x. It can store up to 700 MB of data. DVD, digital video disc. The full form is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. A DVD or DVD-ROM is a disc capable of storing a significant amount more data than a standard compact disc. DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. It can store 4.7 GB. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray is an optical disc format such as CD and DVD. It was developed for recording and playing back high-definition (HD) video and for storing large amounts of data. A Blu-ray disc can store 25 GB per layer. and dual-layer disks can hold up to 50 gigabytes.